Welcome to the deep dive. Will AI destroy more jobs than it creates here in the USA?
Yeah, it's the question on a lot of people's mind.
Definitely. So our mission for this deep dive is really to, unpack that. We want to understand the main arguments floating around about AI's net effect on American jobs.
Exactly. And it's less about predicting the future, more about understanding the dynamics at play based on what we know now. What jumps out immediately is that tension baked right into the question itself. You've got this potential for job losses from automation butting up against the possibility of, totally new kinds of jobs emerging.
Okay, let's dig into that first part then, the job displacement side.
Yeah.
When we talk about AI automating tasks, what sort of work are we really looking at in the US context?
Well, think about tasks that are fairly routine, predictable.
Like what specifically?
Things like data entry for sure. Some kinds of basic customer service calls, maybe even certain parts of financial analysis or report generation.
Okay.
AI is just getting really good, really fast at handling that kind of structured work. So naturally, that could mean less need for humans in those specific roles.
So it's not just factory floors, it's office work too. Stuff that follows set rules.
Precisely. Cuts across different sectors.
Done it. Okay, but then there's the flip side you mentioned. Where are these potential new AI jobs supposed to pop up?
Right. So if you look back at any major tech shift, new tech always creates new needs, new industries. With AI, we're already seeing the demand for, the people who build the AI in the first place. Engineers, programmers, exactly. And then you need data scientists, loads of them, to manage and actually make sense of all the database systems she've through. And thinking longer term, as AI gets, woven into everything, we'll need specialists who implement and maintain these systems.
Okay, this is where it gets really interesting, I think.
Experts are looking at the same tech and, frankly, coming to different conclusions about the overall net impact on jobs.
So no consensus?
Not really, no. There's data supporting both sides, Potential displacement, potential creation. The fact that the question is posed so directly just highlights that we're still figuring it out. It acknowledges the complexity.
Okay, so let me try and... AI can automate, maybe displacing some jobs.
Right.
But it also drives innovation, potentially creating whole new fields and roles.
That's the core dynamic, yeah. We're absolutely in the middle of a major technological shift. And how it reshapes work is, probably the central economic question of our time. Understanding that it is a debate with both disruption and creation happening, UFG.
Right. So, regardless of whether AI creates or destroys more jobs overall in the US, what kinds of skills, what adaptations might be crucial for people in the workforce going forward?
It's a great question to leave people with.
Yeah, worth thinking about for your own career, your own learning path in this changing landscape.